Now we are in front of the Nugget Westfalia L2 with actual, WC. So the same layout, just with the pop-up roof. So you get the same styled bench for 3 people sitting with 2 isofix, great lighting, but the actual part that is not similar on the back is the actual, well, you can take a great business here. Rotate it like that, make your business, rotate it and close it. And then you have a sitting bench, and it's a standard cassette toilet from Tetford, so you can wash it and remove it just like that. Well, pretty interesting design with the fold down bed that slips, well, pretty comfortably. 2 people and actual kitchen domestic cookware with all the same cabinets like the high roof. Just on this part you get the same cabinet right here, but well, this is a pop-up roof tent, so it looks quite different with, well, cabinet there and the other cabinet with the stairs right up there. But well, you actually don't need the stairs, just put the down and well, you get a pretty long bedding situation right up there. I will be now exiting the Nugget L2 to finish off this review.